Do I seriously have to clean the stage? No, I have to clean the bathroom too. I'm going to kill you, panic you. You're going to die when I come to the bathroom. Why? Hi, sorry about that intro. Let's do this quickly. Enjoy. Runs. Forwards and more. I like this boy. I like this boy. I like this boy. I like this boy.
You only just meet this kid. You're hopeless.
Oh, and happy to say I'm not going to school because of COVID-19, so I can't see you in a year. Hope you enjoyed. I think you all hate me by now.